નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Hello students, now the revision worksheet solution for the chapter number 6, the second worksheet solutions. Okay, in second worksheet we have to given a word problem. It means solve the following questions, answer. Right? To start the first one, an angle of a right angle triangle is 38. Find the measure of the other angle. It means, dear students, in these questions given a one triangle, and this triangle is the right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, one angle is given 38. Find the other's angle. So, see, this one is the our right angle triangle. Right? Suppose A, B and C. This one is our right angle triangle. And right angle triangle, one angle is always in 90 degree, we all are know. And second angle is given is the 38 degree. Find the other angle, is means we have to find in this angle. So dear students, here is the triangle. So using the sum of angles property. So triangle, three angle addition is equal to 180. Right? It means angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. So angle A is equal to 38. Angle B is equal to 90. Why? Because in angle B is a right angle. And angle C is not given. So angle C is as it is. This means 180. Now 90 plus 38 is means 128 plus angle C is equal to 180. Now 122 in this side, so angle C is equal to 180 minus 128. Angle C, 180 minus 128. So our answer is 52. This means angle C is equal to 52. So angle A is equal to 38, angle B is equal to 90, and angle C is equal to 52. So this one is the our first question and answer. Three angles. If your addition of these three, answer is 180. Okay. Now to our next questions. The question number 2. In this question, three angles of a triangles are 6x, 4x, and 2x. Find the measure of each angle. See, here given a one triangle, suppose. Right, and this one is the 4x, this one is 2x, and this one is suppose 6x. Give the name x, y, and z. So this one is our triangle. In these three triangles, angle is given 4x, 2x, and 6x. But we have to find the measure of each angle. So again, this one is triangle. So using the sum of angle property, triangle three angle addition is equal to 180. So use it. It means angle x plus angle y plus angle z is equal to 180. Angle x is equal to 4x, y is equal to 2x, z is equal to 6x is equal to 180. 4 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 6, 14x. Sorry, 12x. Okay, then after 180, 4 plus 2 is means 6, 6 plus 6 is means 12x. Now you have to find the value of x. Then x is equal to 180 divided by 12. 180 divided by 12. Now dear students, 180 divided by 12, then your answer is 15. Your answer is 15. It means x is equal to 15. We have to find the value of x. Now put these angles. It means angle x is equal to 4x is equal to 4 multiplied by x value is equal to 15. So 15 4s it means 60. Angle y is equal to 2x is equal to 2 multiplied by x value is 15. 15 2s 30. The last angle is z. So 6x is equal to 6 multiplied by 15. So 6 multiplied by 50 is means 90. Now angle x is equal to 60 angle y is equal to 30 and angle z is equal to 90. So understand? Clear? Next, the third one. Angle ACD is an exterior angle of an equilateral triangle ABC. Find angle ABC. It means here given one triangle and this triangle name is ABC, but triangle ABC is the equilateral triangle. Okay, so first of all we have to draw triangle. This one is our triangle A, B and C. In this triangle is the equilateral triangle. Okay, now angle ACD is an exterior angle of N. Exterior यानी कि बाहर. So we have to draw here. Suppose this one is D. So here is A, C and D. It means this one. Right? We have to find the angle of this. Find the angle of A, C and D. It means these angles we have to find. But this one is the equilateral triangle. Now equilateral triangle, all the angles is 60 degree. Okay? All the sides are same. And all the angles are also for the same. It means all the angles is 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. It means this angle is also 60, interior angle, this angle also 60 and this angle also for the 60. This angle is 60 degree, but in interior, this angle is the exterior part of triangle ABC. And this one is the interior part of triangle ABC. Understand? Now we have to find the exterior, this means angle ACD. So dear students, here is angle ACB and angle ACD. These two is the linear pair. This two angle is the linear pair. ACB and ACD. See here, this one is straight line, and this straight line is divided to how many? Two part. It means straight line to divided two part. It means 180. It means angle ACB plus angle ACD is equal to 180. Linear pair means two angle addition is equal to 180. So angle ACB is equal to 60 plus angle ACD is not given, so ACD is as it is 180. Now 62 in this side, so angle ACD is equal to 180 minus 60. So angle ACD is equal to 180 minus 60 is means 120. So angle ACD's value is equal to 120. So understands that these types of the problem. Got it? Okay. Now our next one is the fourth one. In triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B is equal to 100 and angle B plus angle C is equal to 130. Find the measure of each angle. It means one triangle ABC, एंगल ए प्लस एंगल बी, इसमें दो एंगल का एडिशन मिलाओ तो 100 होता है, अनदर दो एंगल्स का एडिशन मिलाओ तो 130 होता है. तो हमें ईच एंगल यानी कि सभी एंगल्स फाइंड करने, यानी कि एंगल ए, एंगल बी एंड एंगल सी. नाउ हाउ टू फाइंड? सो सी डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हियर A and B, here also for the B and C, it means both are B is common, right? So angle A plus angle B is equal to 100. Now we have to angle A in this side, so B to transfer in this, so 100 minus B, yes or no? तो हमें एंगल A कितना मिला? 100 minus B. Same for the angle B plus angle C is equal to 130. Now we have to find the angle C. So angle C is equal to 130 minus angle B. Yes or no? This one is our angle A. This one is our angle C. Now angle B, don't worry. So 3 angle addition is equal to 180 in any triangle. Write down. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Now angle A is equal to, so 100 minus angle B, yes or no? Right? Angle B, so angle B is as it is. Angle C, so what is the angle C? Angle C is equal to 130 minus angle B is equal to 180. Now in this two, this one is minus, this one is plus, the minus and plus, this two is cut. Okay? Understand? Then after 100 and 130, it means total addition 230 minus B is equal to 180. This 230 to in this side. So here remaining only angle minus angle B is equal to 180 minus 230. Right? So minus angle B is equal to, if you are subtracting these two, it means 50, but in minus. Why? Because 230 is the big number. So minus 50. Both the side minus minus cut, it means cancel. So angle B is equal to 50. One angle हमें मिल गया. Angle B is equal to 50. Now put here. So angle A is equal to 100 minus angle B is means 50. Angle B is means 50. So angle A is equal to also for the 50. So angle A is done. Same for the angle C is equal to 130 minus 50. B की जगह पे क्या लिखना है 50. So angle C is equal to 80. 130 minus 50 is means 80. So angle A is equal to 50, angle B is equal to 50, and angle C is equal to 80. So understand these questions, we have to find our three angles. Okay, clear?
Thank you for joining us.